Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to use the FigureLabs, which is an AI tool that can help you to turn your references, to turn your text, and to turn your sketches or images into publication ready figures that you can easily use for your conference paper writing or journal paper. You can export it in PPTX, SVG, and plus high resolution PNG, JPEG, and optimize for journals and presentations. Very fantastic. You can do all of this. You can give it a try and get up to 200 credits without even a credit card and start using it. So let me show you what I have created with this so that you can see the power. I've just given it a simple prompt. Can you generate a figure to illustrate hydropower generation, transmission, and distribution in Nigerian system? And take a look at what it has given me. Okay, it has given us a fantastic illustration of hydropower, starting from the impoundment to the generation aspect, the penstock, the turbine, electricity generation, generator, the transformer, and the distribution lines. You can see the step down transformer on the household. This is in Nigeria hydropower location as well. The legends are clearly defined. Now what this means is that you can make this editable as well. You can edit it in PPTX or in Canvas. Okay, and you can go ahead and export like I've explained in this format, PNG, JPEG, or PPTX. So let me show you how you can use this to generate simple image, okay, or simple sketch or drawing figure directly from this. So you go ahead and say trial now, okay, and you can go ahead and log in with any of your accounts. And once you log in, you can go ahead and paste in the prompt that what you want to generate. So let's say I want to convert a sketch into a figure. So let's say I have this sketch that I actually want to convert into a process flow chart that is digital. This is a hand sketch, okay, that you can see through the flow, the system, and everything are clearly defined. I want to convert this into a figure that is really written by the FigureLabs AI. So let me go back in here and let me add it, upload the file. Just go ahead and go to my downloads, and you can see it in here. I can import it. Then I can now say, can you convert this? Now I can see this. I have given the basic prompt. Now if you like, you can enhance your prompt also with an AI tool if you're interested. I think at this point I don't want, but you can also go ahead and click on this, and it's going to study the JPEG file and it is going to enhance it for you. I can see it has enhanced everything. Now down here you can choose the model that you want to use. I want to give it a default, the style that you want to use, if it's flat, 3D, or sketch. I want to make it a sketch, and then you can choose the aspect ratio. I want to go with 9:16, or let's go ahead and use 1:1. And once you are okay with everything, I can just go ahead and say enter to this. Let's see what this is actually going to create for us. And you can see right now it has been able to convert the entire sketch into this particular well-to-do, well-written document very directly. And if you compare it with what we have had initially, you can see it has done a very good job in terms of the conversion of the content from a hand sketch to this beautiful feature. All right, so this is another way. The next one is we can try to generate using a text as well. So let's go back, let's close on this. Another thing is you can edit this also in you can make this editable. You can edit in the canvas. You can edit in the canvas, which means you can play around with the text. You can see, you can select the text and play around with them, and you can even select any section. You can select the text or any of the elements and resize it or put it somewhere else depending on your choice. You can actually play around with any section of your choice in the diagram that you want to actually move to somewhere, or you can reposition directly. And once you are done, you can just go ahead and click on save. This is going to now save it. You can select and play around with all of these editing SVG features and the font family, style, weight, and size, and even the coloration from here as well. Very easily. Now once you are done, you can go ahead and download this as SVG, PNG, JPEG, and PPTX. I'm going to do that with PNG, and you can see the file has been exported. You just click and you'll be able to have access to it directly. You see it very nicely created as we have demonstrated. Editing also from here, you can rewrite it to enhance this and make it better, and it's going to do just that for you. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of the FigureLabs to create paper ready figures that you can submit for your conferences, journals, or any kind of reports that you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.